Yo, what's up, man? It's your dog, Big Below, Mr. Ain't the Man himself, checking in with another video. There ain't no car content, it's ear content, man. Y'all know I'm at the, I don't even know what this is. I'm at a 00, right? I've been at them so long, I don't even remember what I had. I don't remember where I'm at. Hold on, let me see, hold on. Yeah. I'm at a 00. I'm at these big boys right here, right? So, I was just looking, man. I was looking around like, man, I want to go bigger, dog. I really want to go bigger. So, I went ahead on, I went ahead on and got these boys here. Can you tell? Let's see. Let's sit over here. Sit over here, man. See if y'all can tell what's going on here. I can see a difference. Pretty sure you can. It ain't that much of a difference. Yes, it is. So, these right here are 11 millimeters, man. Moving up to 11 millimeters. And the reason why I said I'm gonna move up is because this one, I don't know what happened, but I can like be laying down in the bed or something, and like my ear probably get folded up on the pillow or something. Like it gotta be like this though. Like if it'll fold up this way, it'll pull it right out. Like it'll just come out. It'll come out with the roll band on it and everything. So I was like, you know what? I'm finna go up, cause I really want to go up to. I think I want to go up to a half anyway. So let me look at my phone. Let me see. You got. Let me look at Pinterest. Let's check out Pinterest real quick, y'all. Hold on. You got. Let me see. Half an ear. You got. I can see that. You got 00. I ain't focusing. You got 00. Then the next one is the you got the 11 millimeter, which is a 7/16, and then you have the 12.7, which is a half. And I seen a guy the other night, he had a 14 millimeter, which is a 9/16. I don't think I'm gonna go that big. It was pretty big though, but it didn't look crazy. But yeah, so I think I might stop at a half. Being that I seen somebody with a 9/16, you never know. But I think I'm gonna stop at a half though. So, anyway, I just got these tunnels. So I got some salt water here, the salt water solution, and I'm about to put these boys in there. I got the tunnels, and I have the tapers. These are the tunnels. You see, it's flared on the back, so it won't come out through the back. And then you got your tapers, which in most cases, this motherfucker heavy. In most cases, this is what you stretch your ear with. But being that this one I already stretched, I'm gonna try to just put the tunnel in there and just leave it alone, because I really don't wanna. I can't walk around with that heavy shit in my ear. Like I just can't. So what I'm gonna do is, if I get it to go, if I get that to go, I'm gonna probably go and push it. Well, I'm gonna leave it in there. I might leave it in there for the night or whatnot. And after that, in the morning, I'm trying to put that tunnel in there. I know that's not the correct way to do it, but when I had this 00 in there, it weighed my ear down so bad, and it was folding, so the taper was actually coming through my ear. And that's probably what happened to this one. That's probably why I stretched like that. So I'm gonna let that sit for a while, and then I'm gonna come back and put a little more salt solution on it, just so they can sterilize. And then we're gonna get to it. But right now I'm editing this video, man. It's CEO Larry's birthday bash. We went to last night with mom and daddy. You know what I'm saying? We seen them cars racing. The boy did a good deal. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, editing that, getting that ready for y'all. By the time that right there get ready, then I start editing this right here. You know what I'm saying? Gotta keep the content going. So yeah. That being said, hold what you got. I'll see y'all in a minute. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Below, Mr. Man himself. Man, I'm coming to here. Just look, I just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there, man. Hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels: $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't It Mine Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't It Mine Gang has its own perks, and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man. If you haven't done that already, go ahead and explore that join button, man. And yeah, enjoy those. Enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video. Yeah, so just put some more solution in them joints. Salt mixture, salt and hot water mixture. So I'm finna run off real quick, run to the store real quick, and then when I come back, I'm gonna be ready to party. You feel what I'm saying? Party. And I got this old video. 45 minutes before it download to the computer, and then I can put that thing on the tool. We loading it tonight, really. Loading it tonight. So, yeah, just giving y'all an update on that. Let me go and do my run, and then I'll be back. By that time, the video will be up. You know what I'm saying? We're just gonna say that, because yeah, all right. Hey y'all, look, my bad. I was just really trying to see what was gonna happen if I did this, so I ain't picked the camera up. Check this out. It went straight in, like straight in. So yeah, we officially well, I ain't tried this one yet, but I'm sure it's probably gonna end on this one too. But yeah, we're 11mm now. That's crazy. I'm gonna try this other one though. The other one might not be as, but I don't know. But I'm finna see. Hold on. Dog, I swear. Look at this. Look at this. Man, we 11mm, dog. Like, I ain't even used my tapers. My tapers still in the cup. Look. There go the other junk. Look. Man, this one was easy. This one was real easy. This one gave me a little problem. Like, it gave me a little resistance. It didn't give me no problem. It gave me a little resistance. But I know for sure if I go up again, I'm gonna have to use the tapers. But then I might not though. Well, yeah, I'm gonna have to use the tapers because I believe the tapers is the reason why these are going here now, because these tapers right here are heavy. Like, they heavy. And I believe they stretch my ear more than what it was supposed to be. So I probably was a little more than a 00. But yeah, that's crazy. 11mm. So I just bought these joints and slapped my tunnels in, like, and that was it. I ain't even used the tapers. I mean, I really like it better this way. Just put this in and just go on by my business. It's probably gonna swell up It's probably gonna swell up, but it's okay. That was the easiest one since which one that was I jumped a size? I forget which one that was I jumped a size. I think it was from 12 to an 8 or something like that. Something like that. Or 10 to a 8 to a something. 10 to a 6, something like that. I don't know. But I jumped a size once before, and this will be the second time I jumped a size. And it's cool with me because, hey, I ain't gotta be sitting here all night trying to push that taper through my ear. So, so yeah, we good now. We good, man. We're 11 millimeter. We got one more stop, man, and that's gonna be that half. You know what I'm saying? That's gonna be that 12.7 millimeter. That's considered a half, and then I can do my the jumps with my diamonds on them and all that right there. And yeah, man, we gonna be smooth with it, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go and cut this video off because we ain't got nothing to talk about. It's dog, Big Below, Mr. Animal himself, Mr. 11 millimeter. And I'll catch y'all in the next one, man.